Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to first giving the introduction about the first prose of CHSE plus 2 first year. The chapter name is Standing Up for Yourself. Standing Up for Yourself. It is written by the Russian poet Yevgeny Yevtoshenko. Yevgeny Yevtoshenko. So it is my first introduction about this poem. It means standing up for yourself. Standing up for yourself means how you can face every odds in the life, because every challenges will come, every odds, oddities, and typhoons, different types of the problems also may come on the way. Then how can we have to face it, giving the challenging, giving the challenges? With iron hands we have to face it, because in the society in which we are living is full of the good people and also the bad people. Bad people in the sense means they are so notorious elements, they are so mischievous. So those are the good people. They forge with us, they mix with us, they help us, they guiding us, giving many more wageful tips, advices. But those are the elements, those are the notorious elements. They always poison our life. They try to make our lives uncomfortable, uneasier, painful, because they give us enough harassment in our lives. Sometimes also they might threaten our lives and makes our living so painful. So ତେଣୁ ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଅଡ୍ ସାମ୍ନା କରିବାକୁ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ପଡ଼ିବ। ଅଡ୍, ଅଡିଟିଜ୍, ସାଇକ୍ଲୋନ୍ସ, ଟାଇଫୋନ୍ସ, ତେଣୁ ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍କୁ ଆମକୁ ନିଜ ଗୋଡ଼ରେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇକି ଆମେ କେମିତି ସାମ୍ନା କରିପାରିବା। ତେଣୁ ଏନ୍ତୋଚେକୋ ହିୟର୍ ଦି ରସିଆନ୍ ପୋଏଟ୍ has given the moral lesson we get from this prose. How can a person so boldly, so wisely, so courageously face every odds in the society? କେମିତି ପ୍ରତିକୂଳ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିକୁ ସାମ୍ନା କରିପାରିବ ସମାଜରେ? ପ୍ରତିକୂଳ ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ଆସୁ ଯାହା ବି ହଉ, କିନ୍ତୁ ମଣିଷ ସେସବୁକୁ ସାମ୍ନା କରିବାକୁ କେମିତି ପଡ଼ିବ? ଜଷ୍ଟ ୱି ଲର୍ନ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଚାପ୍ଟର. So another thing also I am going to describe, because you have every potentialities within yourself, every potentialities, every capabilities. You have so structural in your life, and you have also very magnificent lifestyle you have, and you have belief in yourselves, and you have given every drop of blood for yourselves to make rooms for yourselves, and you have the creativities within yourselves, you have dreams, you have ambitions, and you have potentialities, you have the colorful life, the fashionable lives. Everything, every nutrients are binding in your hearts, but we have to only prove them. We have to prove them that you are the wrong, because those person criticizes others, making comments, giving the negativities behind them, and throwing just like the dusts and also the stones in form of the negativities. So we have to ignore them, and we have to show them so courageously and boldly, and be wise enough that we are so strong, we are so adventurous, we are so bold, we have such qualities in our life. Then we are also going to be the good great person in our lives, because the historians, they have made the lives not easy way in such fine ways, such fine years, because many years just we have to go by just to achieve the success in our lives. But still then we have to be endeavored, we have to fight till the end, and because we have drunken mother's milk, then so far we have stand to the occasion, and we will see that one day we will achieve the success, the glory of the success, the color of the success, the taste of the success. As long as also there is also the rest of life continues. ଅବିଶ୍ରାନ୍ତ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, କଠୋର ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। ସେ ଯାହା ବି ହଉ, so Yevgeny କହିଛନ୍ତି standing up for yourself means how much dedicated you are, how much sacrificed you are, so how much potentialities do you have, so how much qualities in just do you have. So that's why you have to prove within yourselves and get the enlightenment of that, and you have to make your dreams true, your aspirations true, and your desirabilities just come true. So ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଯେ ମୋର ଏହିପରି ପୋଟେନ୍ସିଆଲିଟିଜ୍ କ୍ୱାଲିଟିଜ୍ ଅଛି, and they might frighten, they might irritate, they might underestimate, they might undermine you. So that's enough. We have to also ignore them. We have to just get past from our lives and go along the path in which we can achieve our glory and achieve our success. So it meant that ଯୋଉଟା ପ୍ରୁଭ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି, so at least in our life we can fight against every odd situations, because we have to be revolting, because the world will give nothing to us. We have to achieve success by ourselves. We have to create the opportunities, and we have to we have to bring the glory, snatch away the glory from others, and then we can make our lives colorful. So that's why, so last line I am going to tell that, so at least we can stand to the occasion, we can stand to the situation, any type of situation that come in Mandali, because we have to learn the art of life, the artful of life, the art of living, the taste of life, the glory of life, the colorfulness of the life, the dreamful of the lives, and the desirabilities of the life, because we have enough in our heart, and we have enough qualities within our frame of the heart and mind also. So that's why, so we have to be dedicative, we have to be sacrificed, we have to be committed, then we can fulfill our aspirations and the glory, the passion of the lives. So ଯାହା ବି ହଉ, ତେଣୁ ଆମକୁ ଏଗୁଡ଼ିକ ସବୁ ସାମ୍ନା କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ଏବଂ ବହୁତ ୱାଇଜଲି ଆଉ ବୋଲ୍ଡଲି we have to ever ready to face every odds in our lives. ସବୁ ସମୟରେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ରହିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ to face every odds, every challengings, every negativities, so every comments, every rejections in life, and also every criticizings from the other sides, because we have to make the clean bowl of such negativity, affairs, thoughts just which come from the others. ଆମକୁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଏଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଆମକୁ throw out from our life, ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ଦେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ life. So that's why, so we have to be also committed in our lives. We have to fight it out till the end of the life, we can revolt against every odds in the lives. Those are the odd elements in the society, so till the end of our lives. So it is all about the standing up for yourself, the introduction only. So bye to, and also next time I will start this stanza.